Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss to you guys on how to create a program that will convert the given pounds value into kilograms using Ruby programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, you may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So we have here a variable pounds, and then I assign a value of 1. Kilograms equals pounds, so 1 pound is equivalent to 2.20462262. So we simply divide here, and then we have here puts, two new line here, and then we have title puts \t pounds to kilograms in Ruby. We have two new line here. It is similar to C language, new line, and then we have here puts \t sharp pounds. We will display the value that is 1 is equals to kilograms, and then there is a built-in function in Ruby that is round to 2 decimal places kilograms. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go to our online GDB as my online compiler that I'm using in run this program. Let us click the run button here. So we have here pounds to kilograms in Ruby. 1 pound is equals 2.045 kilograms. When I change the value here, let's say we have 12.4 pounds. When I click the run button, so pounds to kilograms in Ruby, 12.4 pounds is equals to 5.62 kilograms. Another example, let's say we have 8.56 pounds. Let us click the run button again for the third time. Pounds to kilograms in Ruby, 8.6 pounds is equals to 3.88 kilograms. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on pounds to kilograms in Ruby programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.